Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video, I have an install to put on the Tesla Model Y long range. If you have not seen the delivery video for this car, you want to go and check that video out. Otherwise, let's get to this video. Alright guys, so what we're going to be installing today on the car is a phone holder. Looks like the brand is Byte, if I'm not mistaken, but it's from Arcoche. And the link will be in the description if you want to purchase this phone holder. And also the code will be in the description, and you get 20% off of not just this item but anything on their site if you use the code. A lot of cool stuff on the site for your either Tesla Model Y or your Tesla Model 3. A lot of cool stuff. But today we're going to be installing the MagSafe phone holder that's going to go on the back of our screen here. Should be really cool, especially if you like your phone to be up. As you guys know, with the Teslas, they have the phone chargers down here and you can't really see them. But once it's up here and it's kind of out, then you can easily get to it and, you know, access your music or whatever you want to access. All right, so let's open the box here. Really cool, simple box. Some instructions. Well, no instructions, but there's some information on there concerning it. Matter of fact, there aren't any instructions, but it's super simple. Super simple. Okay. So it looks like we have, get all of our pieces out of here. So we have the bracket. We have this is for the MagSafe piece on the phone. Obviously, and it just sticks there like that. So you got an iPhone. Make sure you get this one. They have another one that works with non-iPhones, or non-Apple phones. All right. What else we got in the box? Wipes to clean the back of it. Tool here, and then also, if you end up getting this device and you don't have an Apple product, they give you a ring that you can put on the back of your phone. Since mine has it on the back of your phone like this, and then the circle will go directly on top of it like that. So they got you covered no matter what, even if you end up getting the wrong holder. All right, so pretty simple. Let's get this installed. Start out with my wipe. I've got two of them here. Okay, we got it wet and dry. Clean the back of it. Get any dirt and any residue off. And install it here on the corner. Should be clean. And I'm gonna take the dry one, dry off the alcohol and any moisture. Should be good. Alright, now we're gonna take our, just peel the adhesive here, or the paper off. The quality of it too, I can speak to that. This is metal, so it's actually really good. Hinges are really tight, so once your phone is on there, it's not going to be moving all over the place. And then also with this, there's a little dial that you kind of unscrew or loosen, and you can slide it up and down, and then just tighten it back to the position that you want. So it doesn't just stay locked here and it's kind of sticking out, but you can loosen that up, and we'll demonstrate that once we get it installed. And then of course here, once you get that where you want it to be, it's going to hold. It's not going to come off. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Press that and hold it. Probably a good 15 seconds or so. Really easy install. Really easy. That should be good. So then the dial back here, remember I was showing, you just kind of unscrew that and you can position it wherever you want it to be. And then once you like it, then also you can rotate it. So it can be in the corner up here, it can be here, all of the flexibility that you get with this one. And then once you get it to where you want it, just tighten it up. Should be good. So now we just got to put this on here. This, just loosen it up. Pop that on. And just screw that back on, tighten it up. And again, this here can swivel all around, you can see. So not only do you have room to move this up and down, but you can move this wherever you want. And then you just, once you get it to the position that you want, just tighten it up. All right. And once you're happy, take this in some more. Off. Then take a phone, and there she goes. Again, our Arcoche, the information will be in the link in the description. Use the code KEYS20 and you get 20% off of not only this, but anything else there that they have on their website. All right. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.